Hi, I'm Daniela Vlacic, and I'll be producing a documentary on the palm oil industry in Indonesia and the battle over using more sustainable practices for its production. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry that not many know about. Palm oil is used in more than 50% of consumer goods, but producing palm oil is leading to severe environmental degradation and is displacing indigenous Indonesian communities. The increase in demand for palm oil is resulting in massive deforestation and pollution. Clearing the forest for palm plantations is forcing people to relocate from villages that they've lived in for decades and locking others into jobs working for just a few dollars a day while corporations reap millions. Cutting down and burning the forest means a loss in rich biodiversity. It's even caused numerous species like the Sumatran tiger and orangutan to be critically endangered. Palm oil is also being used as a biofuel. Its use as biodiesel as an alternative to other fuel is expected to grow exponentially in the near future. But numerous organizations, such as the Environmental Protection Agency, have said it's not a cleaner alternative. The production process of palm oil is releasing more greenhouse gases than would be saved. So in order to prevent further destruction, regulation and sustainable practices need to be implemented now. The United States is one of the largest consumers of palm oil. It's used in all kinds of foods like dairy products, chocolates, cookies, in soaps, candles, and other cosmetics. The list is endless. This means that we are all contributors to the damage caused by palm oil production by our mass consumption of it as a society. But current methods of production are unsustainable. Peat swamps, known as carbon sinks, are abundant in Indonesia, and they are being cleared and burned to make way for plantations. Peatlands harbor methane gas, so when they're cleared, billions of pounds of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere annually. This is accelerating global warming. Illegal logging also occurs as a result of the clearing of land because it is another profit for plantation owners. But there are some benefits from palm oil. The industry has played an important role in boosting Indonesia's economy, and it's provided jobs for millions in rural areas in a country where the majority of the population is impoverished. Oil palm also yields more oil than other crops, making it a better alternative to, let's say, some other crops like coconut oil, for example. So there are some benefits from the industry, but it comes at a high cost, economically and environmentally. The Roundtable for Sustainable Palm Oil, also known as the RSPO, was established with intent to create more sustainable ways of production. But since major stakeholders of the industry are board members, it seems it's been really difficult to set proper regulations. While it's impossible to eliminate the production of palm oil, there are more sustainable ways of producing it. In producing this documentary, my goal is to provide a hands-on look at the palm oil industry and create a global awareness of its effects. After all, we all share this amazing planet, and we need to move towards more sustainable practices to preserve the quality of life and the environment. With further investigation and exposing the truth, we can influence government policies and sustainable practices. Your contributions are essential to the production of this documentary and in generating public interest. I thank you in advance for your support.